Good morning, children. Today we are going to take recap of chapter 2, Food and Health. In this video, we are going to take two topics, diseases and prevention of communicable diseases. Diseases. Diseases can occur due to lack of any nutrient in our diet. A disease is an abnormal condition in which our body does not function properly. They occur due to germs. There are two types of diseases. One is non-communicable and another is communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases are the diseases that do not pass from one person to another. Some examples are ricket, scurvy, goiter. Such diseases are also called as deficiency diseases. Communicable diseases. The diseases that can spread from one person to another are called communicable diseases. These diseases are caused by germs. Some of the communicable diseases are caused by bacteria, protozoa, fungi and viruses. Okay children, now we'll take how communicable diseases spread and how they can be prevented. Communicable diseases can be spread through air, water, food, insects and with direct contact. Children, when a sick person coughs or sneezes, the germs released into the air and these germs make a healthy person sick. If we talk about through direct contact, when a healthy person comes in contact with a sick person or his handkerchief, towel or clothes, he can be infected by the germs. Diseases can be spread through food and water which may be infected with germs and they are not stored or handled properly. So they can cause germs in our communicable disease like malaria, dengue, plague, chikungunya spread through blood-sucking insects like mosquito, bugs and flies. Let's take prevention of communicable diseases. Communicable diseases can be prevented by good hygiene and proper vaccination. Some steps to mention good hygiene like washing hand, use of mosquito net or mosquito repellent at night can prevent us from mosquito bites. Another important is to wash your fruits and vegetables properly before eating them. Food must be covered properly to prevent flies sitting on it. Next point is that dustbins should be covered properly. So, children, good hygiene and vaccination ensures cleanliness and good health.